Dear learner, welcome to 10th standard. The covered areas in the book Mathematics Part 1 are algebra, graph, financial planning and statistics. In algebra, topic covered are linear equation in two variable, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression and probability. The covered areas in the book Mathematics Part 2 are geometry, trigonometry, coordinate geometry and mensuration. In geometry, topics covered are lesson number 1 similarity, lesson 2 Pythagoras theorem, lesson 3 circle and lesson 4 geometric construction. Dear student, don't take the stress and study to the best of your ability to achieve expected score. Best wishes for it. Now, what is the use of this online learning platform? Easy and detailed explanation of each lesson strictly according to Maharashtra State Board Syllabus Class 10. With the help of this course, you will score excellent marks in your board exam. Now let's see topic wise weightage of marks given to lessons of Mathematics Part 1 and Mathematics Part 2 for your board exam. In Mathematics Part 1, there are 6 lessons in all. Lesson 1 linear equation in two variables. It has 12 marks with option. It means 12 marks questions will be asked from linear equation in two variable. Lesson 2 quadratic equation. It carries 12 marks. Lesson 3 arithmetic progression. It carries 8 marks. Lesson 4 financial planning 8 marks. Lesson 5 probability 8 marks. Lesson 6 statistics 12 marks and total marks with option 60, and you have to attempt question paper of 40 marks. See this marks wise weightage you can note down in your notebook. This is marks wise weightage for Mathematics Part 1. Now we will see Mathematics Part 2 weightage of marks for your board exam. In Mathematics Part 2 there are 7 lessons. Lesson 1 similarity. It has 10 marks with option. It means 10 marks questions will be asked from similarity. Lesson 2 Pythagoras theorem. It has 7 marks. It means 7 marks question will be asked from Pythagoras theorem. Lesson 3 circle 12 marks. Lesson 4 geometric constructions 7 marks. Lesson 5 coordinate geometry 7 marks. Lesson 6 trigonometry 7 marks. Lesson 7 mensuration 10 marks. Total marks with option 60. You have to attempt question paper of 40 marks. So this is the weightage of marks for Mathematics Part 2. This also you have to note down in your notebook. Now we will see Maharashtra State Board format of question paper for Math 1 and Math 2 for your board exam. How board exam paper will be there for Mathematics Part 1 and Mathematics Part 2. There is the same question paper format for both Mathematics Part 1 and Mathematics Part 2. In all, there are 5 questions. In that, question 1, question 2 and question 3 have sub questions. Question 1A, question 1B, question 2A, question 2B, question 3A and question 3B. And question number 5 and question number 5. 4 and 5. Now see question number 1A. Solve multiple choice questions. 1 mark each. 4 marks and marks with option 4. See in question number 1A, 4 multiple choice questions will be asked. You have to attempt all 4 questions and each question carry 1 mark. See how questions will be there on multiple choice question. See here. 4 alternative answers are given for every sub question. Select the correct alternative and write the alphabet of that answer. See here 4 multiple choice questions are given. No extra question is given. It means you have to attempt all 4 questions. And here 4 options are given for each multiple choice question. One option is correct. You don't have to write question in your paper. You just have to write question number and its correct option. Now question number 1B. See question number 1B. Solve the following sub question. 1 mark each. 4 marks. Marks with option 4. In question number 1b, 4 questions will be asked without any extra question. You have to attempt all 4 questions and one question will carry 1 mark. See here, question number 1b, solve the following questions, 4 marks. Here 4 questions are asked, no extra question is given, it means you have to attempt all 4 questions and each question carry 1 mark. So here question number 1 carries 8 marks in your paper. 4 for question number 1a, 4 for question number 1b. Now question number 2, it has again sub questions A and B. Question number 2a, complete 2 activities out of 3. Here 1 extra question will be given, 2 marks each, 4 marks and marks with option 6. Here 3 activities will be asked and you have to attempt any 2 activities. One activity will cover 2 marks. How activities will be asked? See. Question number 2a, complete and write the following activities. See here 3 activities are asked, 1, 2, 3. In activity empty boxes will be given. You don't have to write any extra tape, you just have to write that empty boxes with correct answers and you will score full marks. See question number 1a, it has 4 empty boxes, you just have to fill it. Here also 4 boxes, you just have to fill it. Here also 4 boxes. So from 3 questions you have to attempt 2 questions correctly to score 4 marks. Now see question number 2b, solve 4 out of 5 sub questions. Here 1 extra question will be given. You have to attempt 4 questions. Each question will carry 2 marks. So 8 marks in all. So question number 2 carry 4 plus 8, 12 marks. So question number 2 has weightage of 12 marks. How question number 2b will be asked? See here, this is question number 2b. Solve the following sub questions, any 4. You have to attempt any 4. 1 extra question is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to attempt any 4 questions correctly. Each question will carry 2 marks. Now again question number 3a is activity based. You have to complete 1 activity out of 2. Here 2 activities will be given. You have to attempt any 1 activity correctly and each activity will cover 3 marks. See here question number 3a, complete and write the following activity. See here activity based question. Here 6 empty boxes are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you fill these empty boxes correctly, you will score 3 marks. 2 activities are asked. You have to attempt any one to score 3 marks for question number 3a. Now question number 3b. For question number 3b, solve any 2 out of 4 sub question. Each question will carry 3 marks. Marks 6 you have to score here and marks with options are 12. Now see here 2 extra questions are given and you have to attempt any 2 questions correctly to score 6 marks. So here question number 3 has weightage of 9 marks. Now see how question number 3b will be asked. See here it is question number 3b. Solve the following sub questions, any 2. 6 mark weightage, 1 question 3 marks and 4 questions are asked and you have to attempt any 2 questions correctly to score 6 marks. Now see question number 4. Solve any 2 out of 3 sub question, 4 marks each. 8 marks you have to score for question number 4. Marks with option 12 marks. Here 3 sub questions will be asked and you have to attempt any 2 questions correctly to score 8 marks. Now see question number 4. See this is question number 4. Solve the following sub questions. Any 2 you have to attempt. 1, 2 and 3 questions are given. If you attempt any 2 questions correctly, you will score 8 marks. Question number 5. Solve any one out of 2 sub questions. 1 question will carry 3 marks and you have to attempt only 1 question. See here question number 5. Solve the following sub questions. Any one you have to attempt. 2 questions are given. If you solve 1 questions correctly, you will score 3 marks. 2 questions and you have to attempt any 1 questions correctly. So you have to attempt question paper of 40 marks and question paper with option 60 marks. See here, this is 60 marks. This question paper pattern you can note in your notebook. This is the same pattern for both Math 1 and Math 2. Now see how questions will be asked in question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, question pattern. See question number 1, 2, 3, that means from question number 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Questions will be asked from textbook syllabus. So these questions will be from textbook. See question number 1 has weightage of 8 marks. Question number 2 has weightage of 12 marks. Question number 3 has weightage of 9 marks. Means 8 plus 12, 20 plus 9. So 29 marks questions will be asked from your textbook and remaining 11 marks will be out of your textbook. Now question number 4, these questions will be out of textbook but based on prescribed syllabus and also challenging. Here question number 4 will be challenging question depending on your syllabus to check your mental ability to solve question. These questions will be higher order thinking skill questions, and with practice and concept clearing you can solve this question. Question number 5, these questions will be creative for which the responses should be as follows: expecting the student to express his own views. Here some statistical data given, for example you calculated mean, median, mode. From that you have to express your way what mean value shows about the data. To draw a figure as per the given information, any figure information will be given and you have to draw a figure. For example, construct tangent to the circle, construct perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, like this. To complete an incomplete construction, suppose you have given construction of similar triangle, it will be incomplete, remaining portion you have to complete. To complete the given flow chart, some information or questions will be given in terms of flow chart, where ages of students given, for example sum of ages of 2 person is 20, difference is 19, and you have to find their values. This will be given in the form of flow chart. To construct a problem from the given information or situation, you will be given situation that, for example, your answer should come in 10 rupees. You construct yourself any question and one of the answer of that question should be 10. Open-ended question, for example, open-ended question means which has many answers and all answers are true with respect to student. For example, if I say x plus y is equal to 10, so I can take any value of x. If I take x1 value, y will be 9. If I take x2, y will be 8. Like these questions. Estimations and approximations. Statistics depends on approximations. Comprehension of mathematical passage. You will be given one mathematical passage and questions will be asked on it. That questions you have to solve. So this is the paper pattern for your board exam. Now if you look here, question 1 to 3 will be from your textbook syllabus and question number 4 and 5 will be based on your textbook syllabus, but questions may be out of textbook. So if your concepts are clear and if you do proper practice, you can score out of marks in both mathematics part 1 and mathematics part 2. From next lesson we shall start with mathematics part 1, lesson 1, linear equation in two variable. This lesson will cover 12 marks of board exam. I will teach this topic in detail with extra questions for practice with respect to board exam. Thank you.